In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google form with other teachers by adding collaborators. This is super useful if you're working as a team and want everyone to help create or edit the same form. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside Google Drive, you can either open an existing form or create a new one. To find your form, just look through your files and double-click on the one you want to share. If you're creating a new form, click New, then Google Forms, and choose a blank form or a template. Once your form is open, go to the top right corner and click on the Share button. This is where you control who can access your form. A small window will pop up. Here, you can add people by typing in their email addresses. Make sure you type them correctly so the right people get access. Next, you'll see permission options. Set it to Editor so your collaborators can make changes to the form, add questions, and manage responses. Before sending, double-check everything, especially the email addresses and permissions, to avoid any issues. Now, click the Send button. Once you do that, your collaborators will receive an email invitation and they'll be able to open and edit the form right away. And that's it! You've successfully shared your Google form and can now work together بسهولة with your team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.